Bread is one of the things that I missed the most during my journey. During my journey of reversing type 2 diabetes from an A1C of 9.4, I did not want to be eating bread, as many a time I do get out of control and binge on the bread. So I had to find a way to make something that was very similar to bread that would not spike my blood sugar levels and also curb my cravings for bread. This recipe actually stems from the ketogenic diet, but I do not practice the ketogenic diet. I take the information that would be helpful to me and customize it to make it work for me, but I do not necessarily practice keto. Let's get started. We will need 1 cup almond flour, 2 tablespoons baking powder, 1/3 cup olive oil, 4 large eggs, 1 to 2 tablespoons vanilla extract, depending on how strong you want the smell to be, or it could be any extract of your choice. Set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We will begin by combining all dry ingredients. I must say that at the moment I do eat regular bread, but the maximum that I eat per day is 1 slice. So if I do have the urge or craving for more bread, I fall back on this almond bread. That way I do not aggravate my blood sugar levels. You can simply add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients without mixing the wet ingredients separately. Either way works. That is how easy this recipe is. So simple, so easy, yet so delicious. After mixing all ingredients, you certainly want a fluid-like texture that can drop from the whisk every time you pick it up. I actually forgot to add the olive oil, so you would see me adding in the olive oil in a few seconds. It really doesn't matter how you mix it. I just had to pour it in there, mix it all together, and pop it into the oven. And that's it. This recipe can actually be either baked in the oven for about 5 minutes at approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or it could be microwaved. All you need to do is to pop the mixture into the microwave and give it 4 minutes. What you need to look out for are air pockets in your bread after it is done. When you look at the bottom and it still has a fluid-like texture in the middle, then the center is not done. But if you take a look at it and it has air pockets on the sides and at the bottom, then you know that it is done. And that is why I use a transparent Pyrex bowl so that I can take a look at it, lift it up, and make sure that the center is cooked. When using the microwave, 4 minutes for this quantity should be enough. But do well to check the bottom to ensure it is well done. And just like that, you are all done. You can eat this bread with some butter, some almond butter, peanut butter. You can make some French toast or regular toast with this bread. You name it. The possibilities are endless. The taste is simply delicious. And the best part is, it would not spike your blood sugar levels. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Until next time, remember to be beautiful, be bold, be true to yourself and to others. Stay healthy and always be you.